Welcome back. Here 52 question. See, it is very easy question. Easy. The greatest 4 digit, we know all of you, treble, 4 nines, and smallest 3 digit, 100. Then you need to do the addition. That's it. Here the answer will be 10,099. And next 53 question, the difference between the greatest and smallest 5 digit number formed by the digits using. Here what is the greatest number formed by this? 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. What is the smallest? 1, 0, 2, 3, 5. If you do the subtraction, they ask it different. Means the answer is 4. Here this is a very easy question. And next 54. Which of the following number is divisible by 3? We all of you know divisibility rules. Here the sum of the digits is divisible by 3 means the answer will be 2. Here the sum of the digits will be divisible by 3. Next 55 question, it is a simplification. First 144 as per DMOS, we need to follow the DMOS. As per DMOS, first division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. First we need to do the division. If you do the division, you will get here 16 into 2 plus 6 minus 4 means 32 plus 6 minus 4, 38 minus 4, 34. Next, this is also looking as a lengthy question but easy question only here. What? Jayesh and Mohan started a business 28,035. Jayesh invested 28,000, okay, and Mohan invested 35,000. This is the ratio and question. Then if you cancel, they will get the ratio 4:5. They invested in the business. At the end of year, Mohan bought 6,450 as a profit. The total profit they are asking. Here total profit is 9 parts. But in that what Mohan bought 6,250 means 5 parts equals to 6,250. 9 parts equals to how much? Why we are finding the 9 parts means here they are asking total profit. Here they are asking total profit. That's why. Here if you do the multiplication cross, you will get the answer 11,250. And next, this is also very easy question. In a 20 kgs mixture of yellow pearls and black pearls, there is 4 kgs black pearl. What is the ratio of black pearls and yellow pearl? 20 kgs, in that 4 kgs is the black pearls means 16 kgs is the yellow pearl. Here they are asking ratio 4:16. 4 ones are 4 fours. Means 1:4 is the ratio. And next question. Next, Joseph borrowed 25,000 and simple interest at the rate of 6% per 4 years. How much he did pay the end of the year? Means you need to find here amount. First interest equals to 25,000 PTR by 100. 6 into 4 by 100. 100 cancel. Here 6,000 is the years. But here we need to find the amount. We need to find the amount means P plus I. P equals to 25,000, I equals to 6,000. Means total 31,000 is the answer. Answer is 31,000. Next here, how many years the sum become a 1800 became a 2016 as a simple interest at the rate of 9%. Here we need to find the time. Time formula 100I by PR. Okay, here I will come from amount minus principal. Amount minus principal, I will get 810 by principal is 1800, R equals to 9. If you do the cancellation, you will get the answer 5 years. Here the question is perimeter. We need to find the question and perimeter. Here perimeter of the figure. Perimeter is nothing but you need to add the all sides of the figure. That's it. Here they mentioned all the sides. If you take from this to this, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 4, 12, 10 plus 2, 12. Here also 12. Here also 12. Here also 12. If you add, you will get the perimeter 48 centimeters. Next question. Here, Pinky runs around a square field of side 50 meters, takes 6 rounds. Means Pinky how much she runs? 50 meters of square field means 4 into side. What is the value? 4 into 50, 200. But she took 6 rounds. 6 rounds means 1200. Pinky is the 1200. Next, Shruti. Shruti runs rectangular field means 2 of L plus B. 2 of L plus B means 2 into 160 plus 120. 160 plus 120 means 560 she took. 560 into 2 rounds. 2 rounds means 1120. Means Pinky runs more. How much? 80 meters. Means the answer is 2. This is also little bit tricky question. And next question here. Then the average of the numbers they gave. Then find the k value. If you observe in the two numbers having the k's. In the two numbers having the k. What is the average means? Sum of the numbers by number of the number. Here 12 plus 15 plus 19 plus k plus 5 equals to what will happen? 13 into 5. If you subtract from all these 65, 12 plus 15, 27, 27 plus 19, 46, 46 plus 5, 51 will come out. Means you will get 14. But k is how many? 2k. K equals to what will happen? K 14 by 2. Here 7. They asked only k value. Means answer is 7. They asked only k value. Answer is 7. And next here, average of the weight of 5 friends. Then what is the average? Same thing. You need to add the all weights. 48 plus 50 plus 53 plus 55 plus 49 by how many friends are there here? 5 friends by 5. Means if you do the addition, you will get 255 by 5. 5 ones are 50 ones are. Answer is 51. 51. Next. This is also reading question. Reading. You have to read. Here, read the given statement. Choose the true and false. Choose the true and false. Actually, first of all, we need to justify. You need to give here true or false for this question. First, I am going for the statement 1. Two distinct lines. Two lines intersect more than one point. It's never will happen. Two lines will intersect only one time. They will go this side, opposite direction. Means it is absolutely false. It is absolutely false. Next, more than two lines cross the one point. Yes, one point can through more than, not only more than, infinity number of lines can pass. Means it is absolutely right. Then go for the statements. Only statement 1 is true? Wrong. Only statement 2 is true? Yes. But down see also. Both statements are true? Wrong. And both statements are false? Wrong. Means answer is 2. And next here, it is very easy substitution question. It's very easy. X they gave, Y they gave. And then the value of 60, X plus 5. First we need to follow the bracket. First, what is the 30 by 120 plus 5. Here, 31s are 4s are. 1 by 4 plus 5 is nothing but 21 by 4. Here, 16 is there. Do cancellation. 4 ones are 4. Means 21 4s are 84. And add plus 1. Then you will get the answer 85. Answer is 85. Then go for next question. This is very easy question. Decimal form of 5 by 8. 5 by 8 you need to convert into decimal, that is absolutely 0.625 only. And here sum of the all prime numbers less than 21. If you observe on prime numbers, every year compulsory Science School entrance exam team will always covers on prime numbers. You have to know about the prime numbers, it's compulsory. Less than 21, if you add, you will get the answer 77. Next, here 68. This is also statement question. If you saw from 26th question to now, you got the so many statement questions. Most of the questions covered 2 or 3 questions in that question only. Here A, B, C, D 4 statements they gave. You need to what right, what wrong you need to say. Chalo, composite numbers are always even? No. It's not correct. Yes. Here question also you read it. Which of the following statements are not correct? Which of the following statements are not correct? This is also wrong. Prime numbers are always odd? No. Why? Because we have 2 is a prime number. Means it is also wrong. Next, sum of the two primes is always prime. It will 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 8 means not prime. This is also wrong. Next, product of the two composite numbers is always composite. Yes, correct. Suppose take 2 into 4, 8 and take 4 into 6, 24 means this is correct. But in the question what they are asking, what is the not correct? Means A, B, C. Answer is A, B, C. This is the statement question, so many we got in this question paper. And next 69, a party has gave 30 children. In the 30 children, pizzas, burgers and cool drinks were bought for 450 and 300, 270. Everything shared equally among the 30 children. You can do this question. Total do addition by 30 you can do, otherwise you can do 450, 300, 270. What will happen? 0 and next 2 and next 4 plus 4, 8, 1020 by 30. 1020 by 30 also you will get 3 ones are 3 fours are 34. Otherwise you can do 30 children. 450 by 30, what is the cost of pizza? 50. For 300 by 30, what is the cost of burger? 10. 270 by 30, what is the cost of cool drink? 9. If you add, you will get 34. Whatever easy method you can choose. And next question, what should be subtracted from the sum of to get next? Means you need to add these two, 3509, 2165. If you add, you will get 765. You need to subtract this 4009. Then you will get the answer 1665. This is also very easy question. Then 71 is the Roman number 199. 199 nothing but 3. And here also in the Roman numbers they gave the simplification. Here 21 minus 15 you will get 6. 6 minus 6 0. The answer will be this only. In the question only we have the answer. And next here Harish drives car speed of 45. How much time take to 20 km? This is also cross multiplication. 45, 1 hour 60 minutes. He will reach 25 kilometers. 12 kilometers. How much? Do cross multiplication. You will get the 16. And next Raman covers a distance of 24 kilometers in 40 minutes and increases speed. How much speed? How much time will take? First we need to find the 24 kilometers by 40 by 60. It will comes up 0 0 4 ones up and 6. 36 is the actual speed. He increased to 4 kilometers. Means it becomes a 40. Means same distance he will go by 40 by 60. 0 0 means 40. For 36 by 40, then you will get the answer 36. 6 6 are 36. And last question, here market stationery purchasing first carried 500 rupees. In that 500 rupees, she kept 135.50 for the notebooks, 30.50 for the pens and 3.75 for the erasers, 48 for the box of colors, 142 for the geometry. If you do the subtraction, you will get 140 by 25. He got the leftover money. Thank you. Watch for the reasoning our channel, reasoning also, and watch our channel for English and GK paper explanation also. Thank you.